We are here with our live session for today, and all of you must be very excited to know what are the topics we are going to cover today. So, I would like to tell you that today we are going to have the topic fractions and decimal. So, these are all Olympiad based topic which we are going to do today. So, those who all are good evening, everyone. Frozen winters, month of December, lots of work to do, but time is very less. So, what to do now? अपने अंदर कुछ एक्साइटिंग करने के लिए हमें अपने आप को एक्टिवेट करना पड़ेगा कितनी भी सर्दी हो लेकिन काम तो करना होगा सो once again welcome to the calculation station of me and math myself Poonam Biani giving you the live session for the topic fractions and decimals. So I hope all of you are ready for the live session today. Okay, so today we are here with fractions and decimal topics, and we are going to do a lot of questions today so that all the topic is clear to you. So keep on joining, keep on joining. We'll be waiting for 1 minute for all the students, all the viewers to join. Okay, so once again, I welcome you all to the calculation station. Good morning, Aradhya. Good evening, Aradhya. It's evening, beta. Hi, Viraj. Okay, I can see WS Stories. Please tell me your name. If you would write your name, I would be very grateful to you so that I can connect with you. Okay, Snigdha. Good evening, Snigdha. How are you? अरे वाह, जय श्री राम वाले भी हैं यहाँ पर. जय श्री राम भाई. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आप जय श्री राम बोलते हैं. वेरी गुड. स्वाति, गुड इवनिंग. ओके, दिस इज सौरभ. Great to connect with you, Saurabh. So in today's live session, we are going to do some questions of Olympiad based on fractions and decimals. I have already had some of the live sessions with all of you. Those who have already attended my live session would be knowing that we are doing Olympiad questions these days. Okay, but before that, let's start the brain activity. All of you are interested in the brain activity, isn't it? Would like to engage your mind in some of the brain activity. Let's see. Hi, Yuvraj. So, I am showing you my screen. So, all of you concentrate on watching the screen. And I have some figures made over here. The figures are having some figures inside them also. And I will be showing you this figure for just a minute. And you have to watch these figures very nicely. And then I am going to ask you questions out of it. All of you must see the figures very nicely. What are the shapes that I have presented to you now? And what are the shapes inside it? Maybe I can ask you the color of the shapes, anything I can ask you. So just have a look on these and then we are going to start our brain activity round. Keep on joining all the other people, all the viewers, join quickly to enjoy the session. Waiting eagerly to interact with you. Okay. Hi, Siddhi. How are you? These are all new names in my session. I'm really very grateful to all of you for joining the session. I hope this session of mine gives you a good knowledge and your depth of knowledge is surely going to increase. Okay, so now I am starting with my first question. All of you are going to answer me in the chat for the questions which I have asked. Okay, so here is the circle shape also. Okay, so let's go. What was the shape inside the rectangle? What was the shape inside the rectangle? What was the shape inside the rectangle? Quickly answer my question. What was the shape inside the rectangle? Those who know the answer are going to write it in the chat. Those who know the answer, quickly write it in the chat so that I can know what you know, whether you are right or wrong. Yes, I have started getting the answers. Very good. Excellent going. Good, good, good. All of you are trying very hard. Well done. Okay, so that was a circle shape. Very well done. All the students, Vipul, okay, Viraj, and I have you vlogs, okay, Yuvraj, also Aradhya, Parul, Siddhi, all of you have given me the correct answer. Very well done. Very well done. Let's move on to the next question. Which shape was inside the square shape? Which shape was inside the square shape? Just let me know which shape was inside the square shape. Who all know the answer? Quickly answer me in the chat. Which shape was inside the square shape? I will be giving you only few seconds to answer this because you are now in the practice of doing it. Yes. Hello, Priya. Okay, so you are now in the practice of doing all these things. So very quickly you are going to answer my question. Which shape was inside the square shape? Quickly answer the question. Okay. Some of them are saying circle triangle. Some of them are saying triangle. Let's see. Let me get all the answers. Okay. Triangle is the maximum of the viewers are giving me the answer triangle. So I will be waiting for a few seconds to get all the answers and then I'm going to reveal whether you have done it right or wrong. Trying all the questions is very necessary. Doesn't matter whether you have answered it correct or wrong. Okay, let's see. Very good. All of you, those who have given me the answer as triangle, all the answer is correct. The shape inside the square was a triangle shape. Very well done. The students and the viewers who are watching and who are giving me the answers, they have done it correct. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this answer. Let's move on to the next question. Which shape was inside the kite shape? Did you all notice the kite shape? So let's see who is going to answer me first. Which shape was inside the kite shape? Those who have seen the brain activity very nicely, they can easily answer this. Which shape was inside the kite shape? A few seconds given to you for answering this question. Let's see who is going to answer me first. Quick, quick, quick. Who is going to answer the question? Let me see which name I get of all the viewers. Okay, Twinkling Life. Who is that? Please write your name. Okay, Square. I'm getting the answers as square. All of them are in favor of square. So Vipul is also answering square. Yuvraj also is answering for square. Parul is also answering for square. Let's see. Anybody else who is okay? Aradhya, very well done. Let's see what is the correct answer. Oh no, all of you are wrong. That was a pentagon shape. That was a pentagon shape. Anyways, well tried, guys. But this time your answer was not correct. It was a five-sided figure. A five-sided figure, regular shape, is known as a pentagon. So if you go to the flashback, you might be remembering that it was a pentagon shape. Anyways, let's move on to our next question. Which shape was inside the circle shape? Which shape was inside the circle shape? Who is going to try out first? Which shape was inside the circle shape? Now keep on remembering what you watched earlier, and then you will be able to answer this question very easily. It's just a mind game. Everything has to be remembered. No calculations, nothing. Again, I am getting answer as square. I hope so. This time you must be correct. But I will be revealing the answer once all of you have given me the answer in the chat. So those who all know the answer, please type in the chat box so that in few seconds I can reveal the answer. All shapes, okay? All the shape was inside the circle. Twinkling Life is giving me this answer, or rectangle. Still you have doubt, it seems. Okay, let's go on. Square or rectangle? Give me one answer. All of you, those who are answering, give me one answer only so that it is confirmed. Exactly, rectangle. And I have only one person who has answered me rectangle. That is Yuvraj. Very well done, Yuvraj. You have answered the correct shape. Very well done. So it is a rectangle inside the circle shape. Okay. Hi, Tanisi. Now I can understand that Tanisi is over here. Okay. Next question. So here we come to our first set of questions. All of you, please concentrate on the screen and we are going to solve our first question. Okay. So what can you see over here? What can you see over here? I have a figure which is representing a shaded part. And as we are doing fractions, so shaded and unshaded part are one of the most important topic. Okay, no worries if you got it wrong. It's never too late. So you can answer these questions and get them correct. The main motive of the live session is to excel you in the questions which you will be having it in future. Come on, let's try out. Which of the following fraction represents the shaded part of the figure? So, who is going to try first? We have so many shaded parts over here, and we have to choose one question, one option out of these so that you can give a correct answer. We have to match some of the parts also to make a full part. So, okay, let's see. I have got one of the answers. Hi, Sakshi. Yuvraj, you have also given me the answer. Parul has also given me the answer. Okay, let's see. I will be going with this first. This is one part. This is half, and this is two. This is one. This is two. I have it as three, three, and then if I take this, if I take this over here, this part, if I take it over here, it will make 1 plus 1. So I have 5 shaded parts. Let me see what is the number of parts done to this rectangle. So the number of parts done to the rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 6. But you know what? We can see over here, there is a bit of difference. It is 5 by 12. All of you are saying 5 by 12. You know how do we get this answer? Do you know how do we get this answer? Okay, let's see. I have parts 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. This is 5. And already we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and half half if we take it, this makes it 12. So we can give the explanation like this, that the answer is B. So all of you who have given me the correct answer B, you are absolutely correct. Let's move on to the next question. Select the correct match of the fraction of the shaded part of the figure. There are so many figures given over here. There are 4 figures given over here. And we have to check whether the shaded part given over here matches with the answer given. So we are going to try for each and every figure, whether it is given or not. So I would like to go with the last one first. Okay, so here 2 parts are shaded and the total part done is 4. So 2 parts are shaded, it should have been 2 by 4. So, but the option given over here is 3 by 4. So this option is absolutely wrong. Okay, then I will be going with C. Let's see how many parts are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are done, which is to be written in the denominator. The number of parts which are done to the figure are written in the denominator, and the number of parts which are shaded has to be written in the numerator. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 by 8. And if we reduce it also, if we reduce both the numerator and the denominator by dividing it by 2, because when we reduce the fraction, it should be divided by the same number. So it should be 2 by 4. But here the option is given as 2 by 3. This is also wrong. This doesn't match. Let's see for the B part. Okay, so number of parts done is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 parts is done. Okay. And let's see how many parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts are shaded. Okay. All of them are answering A. Some of them are going with B. Let's see. If we reduce this, both the numerator and the denominator, by 4, because both 12 and 16 comes in the table of 4. So we are going to reduce it by 4. So here we get 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So this should have been 3 by 4. So this also doesn't match. Now, three options are already cut. Now we have to check only option A. I hope so. The option A is correct. But before that, let's check out what will come in the denominator. So I have one part, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So number of parts done is 32. And let's see how many parts are shaded. Okay. So number of parts shaded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 parts shaded. Now, if I reduce this 24 and 32 by 8, because both the numbers they come in the table of 8. So the correct answer is 3 by 4. No, Parul, all the answers are not wrong. You can see that option A is absolutely correct. 3 by 4 is given and 3 by 4 is written over here. So option A in this question is the correct answer because we have to match the shaded part with the fraction given. All of them who have answered as A have given me the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Find the value of x in the given expression. This question is very easy. I hope all of you know the pattern of doing this. What is the pattern of doing all this question? This type of question, this is a decimal question. So here we have 67.245 and we have to subtract it from any number which gives us 31.193. In such a question, okay, in such a question, we are going to do one trick. We are going to subtract this and this to get the answer over here. Suppose I have an example, 10 minus what gives you 5. So easily we can do 10 minus 5 gives us 5. How did we do that? We subtracted this 10 and this 5. In the same way, we are going to subtract these two decimals. So let's try 67.247 subtracted by 31.193. Just keep in mind that we have to place the decimals very nicely in the correct position. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 doesn't go with 9. So we are going to borrow 1 and make this 14. Make it 1 over here. We are going to reduce and 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay. Okay. Oh, just a minute. I think I have written the little bit, I have made a mistake. It should be 5 over here. I have to write 5 over here. Just a manual mistake. Give me 1 second. Okay. I'll be writing a 5 over here. I had written 7. Okay. So this is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So the correct option is C. Those who have given me the correct answer C. Congratulations to all of them. You have given me the correct answer. Anushka, Siddhi, and Aradhya, Yuvraj, all of them have given me the correct answer. Hello, Danger. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, what fraction of the figure is unshaded? Here you have to find out what fraction of the figure is unshaded. In the previous question, we did the shaded part of the fraction. But now we have to find out the parts which are unshaded. So let's see what parts are unshaded. Okay, so first we are going to see how many parts are done to the triangle. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in the numerator, what is going to come? The numerator will be 16. And how many parts are shaded? Let's see how many parts are shaded. So now we are going to count the number of parts which are shaded. So I'll be taking a red color to show you. This is 1. This half and half makes 1 to 2. This half and half makes 1, 3. This is 4. This half and half makes 5. This is 6 and this is 6.5. Okay, so this is 6.5. But we can't write 6.5 like this. So what we are going to do? We are going to change it. We are going to reduce this decimal also. So 65, and for one decimal place we are going to put a 10 over here. Now we are going to reduce this whole fraction. This is 5 2s are 10, and this is 5 into 13, which is, okay, 13. So here we have the answer as, let's see, and a half and 6.5. We write it as 65 by 10. 5 2s are, okay. So here the answer is 13 by 32. Let's move on to the next question. What is the sum of 3.298, 4.8085, and 17.8? What do you mean by sum? The very first question is, what do you mean by sum? Sum means addition. Sum means addition. As you are in higher grades, you must be knowing the meaning of sum. So what you have to do, you just have to add all of these. All these decimal numbers you have to add. Let's see who add them first and give me the correct answer. Correct, Parul. Addition. You have to do the addition. and here 17.8 is written. So it is very important to place the decimal point nicely. So here the decimal point will, after the point you write down 8 and you don't have any digits in the hundreds and thousands place, hundreds and thousands. So you are going to put two zeros over here. So now you can add them. Okay. So now you can add them. Let's see. So on adding, what do we get? 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 8 is 17. Plus 1, that is 8. Carry 1. So 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1, it is 11. 1. Carry 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Plus 1, that is 15. 5. Carry 1. Okay. This is 2. So the correct answer here is C. Viewers, please concentrate on answering rather than doing anything else. Viraj, concentrate on your questions. All of you, those who have given me the answer C, are absolutely correct. Very well done. Very well done. Yuvraj and Anushka, Shabnam. So Siddhi Soumya, she has given me the answer at the very first. Okay, Parul, your answer is 7.461, but I think that is wrong. You can see in my screen how have I added all these. The placing of decimals is very important, which we have to keep in mind. So you can see on the screen how the addition has been done. If after the point only a single digit is written, then we can increase it by adding zeros after the given number. That won't make any difference. Next question. Find the value of 624.7 plus 39.929. Again, the arithmetic operation is given over here and we just have to do the addition. So who is going to do this addition? Who is going to do this addition? Let's see. Who is going to answer me first? Be very quick in answering. Very easy question. Just need to place the numbers and the decimal points such that you get a correct answer. Now this is 39. 39 should be placed under tens and ones. Point will be underneath the point and 2, 9 will be here. In the above number, we have only 7. So we can add a 0 to make it 70. Okay. So now we are going to add them both. Let's see what do we get on adding. I have started getting the answers. Okay. Siddhi has given me the answer 663.99. Yuvraj is also giving me the same answer. Okay, let's see. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 2 is also 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 carry 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. And this 6 also comes down. Absolutely correct. All those who have given me the answer 663.9 are absolutely correct. Very well done. Viraj has also given me the answer. Thank you, Viraj. Let's move on to the next question. So here, what do we see? Which of the following expression is true? Which of the following expression is true? We have to compare. We have to compare these decimal numbers. Come on, let's see who is going to answer me first. Do you know the way to compare the numbers? Okay, we'll be starting with the first one. The points, the points, the numbers after the decimal points have to be taken into mind, and because all the numbers in the units place, whole numbers are same. I can see that all the options given are same in the whole numbers. So we have to compare the decimal parts. So let's see. Okay, Yuvraj has given me the answer as A, and Siddhi has also given me the answer as A. All of them are giving me answer A. Very well done. Let's see if it is correct. So we can compare 3479 and 0349. Very clearly, we can see that 3749. This is 3749 and 0349. So this is greater than the other number. Let's check the other numbers also. We might get another answer, but we have to check it. All the options we must always check. This is 03749, and here we have 003749, making it a smaller number. This number is smaller. So this sign should have been greater sign. Okay. So this option is absolutely wrong. And here also it is given 3749, and here we have 4749. This should have been greater. Like the options should have been written like this. The operator, the comparison operator. So this is also wrong. None of these. This is absolutely wrong because we have a correct answer over here. So A is the correct answer. Very well done. All the students who have given me the answer A. Okay. Now we are moving to our next question. What is this? This is finding the value of some of the decimal points given. So we have to do the addition first, and then we are going to do the subtraction. We are going to follow the BODMAS rule over here. So in the BODMAS rule, we have to add these two numbers first, and whatever answer we get, we have to subtract 0.28 from it. Let's see what is the answer you are getting. Okay, so I'll be writing the figures over here. 9.85 plus 0.6. You must note down that placing of decimal is very, very important. So we are going to add them both. 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 14, 4 carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is 10.45. Is this the final answer? No, this is not the final answer. We have to do one thing more. Yes, we have to subtract 0.28 from here to get the final answer. So let's see, on subtracting 0.28, what do we get? 5 doesn't go by 8, so we are going to take a borrow and this make it 15, and we are going to make 3. I hope all of you know the borrowing at subtraction. Just kidding, I know you are in grades 4, 5 and 6, so you must be knowing that. So 15, so this is 15 minus 8. What do you get? 15 minus 8, this is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1, and this is 0, and this is 1. Some of you have changed your answers. Good, good. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Previously, same students gave me the answer as B, A, but now it has changed to C. Okay, so can you see how we have got this? Placing of decimal is very important to get the correct answer. 10.17 is the correct answer. Okay. Viraj, you must see how we have done the addition as well as the subtraction. Good. Those who have given me the answer C, correct. Okay. Next question. Oh, wow. We can see so many stars over here. Who all like stars? Night sky? Okay, I love it. So let's see. how many stars are there. But before that, we must read the question. If another one-fourth of the given figure was to be shaded, what fraction of the whole figure would be shaded? So first, try to understand the question, what it is asking. If another one-fourth of the given figure was to be shaded, what fraction of the whole figure would be shaded? First, we have to find out one-fourth of the figure. What is one-fourth of the given figure? Let us count the number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the column is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 fours is 28. One-fourth of 28 is 1 by 4 into 28. We get a 7. You keep on answering. All of you keep on answering. This is 7. We have to check how many stars are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So 9 stars are already shaded. 9 stars are already shaded. And we have to add 7 more. If we have to add 7 more, then what number of stars will be shaded? 16. So 16 is what fraction of the whole figure? So this should be 16 by 28. Let's see if we divide it by 4, because both of them come in the table of 4, 16 and 28. So let's see what fraction do we get. 16 divided by 4 is 4 and 28 divided by 4 is 7. So do we have this option? Yes, option number C. Option number C is 4 by 7, which is the correct answer. Yuvraj and Swara and Anushka, all of them have given me the correct answer. Very good, very well done. Siddhi also has given me the correct answer now. Very well done. Previously, you were saying about D, but now you have changed your answer. Very well done. After you understand any question, it is very easy for you that P represents and what is the decimal. We have to match them. Who all knows fraction very well? What is this shaded part called? Whole which is shaded? Just tell me what it is counted, this whole, the part which is shaded. So this is, okay, so this is a 1. This is also a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And let's see how many parts are done. Very well done. Those who have understood the question previously taught, I'm happy that you have understood it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the parts is 10 and the number of parts shaded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 by 10. So on adding all these, what do we do? This is 2, 5 by 10. So the fraction is 2, 5 by 10. And if we go for the decimal, how do we do it? 2, 5 by 10 when converted to improper fraction, what do you get? When two whole number 5 by 10 is converted into improper fraction for taking out the decimal, what do you get? You are going to multiply these two. 10 twos are 20 and 20 plus 5 is 25. Very well done. I am getting the answers. Siddhi, Yuvraj, very well done. Very quick in answering. I hope so your answer is correct. That I am going to tell you in a few minutes after solving this. Okay, 25 by 10. So we are going to put one decimal place. This will be 2.5. Let's see the next set of the figure. This is 1. This is also 1. This is also 1. And here we are going to multiply them and then we are going to add them. Okay. 10 threes is 30 and 30 plus 7 is 37. 37 by 10. So our correct answer match of the mixed fraction in column 1 with improper fraction in column 2. Basically, what you have to do in this question, you have to convert the mixed fraction given in the column 1 to improper fraction, and you have to check whether that improper fraction taken out by you is matching with column 2. Is it matching with column 2? So let's start. Come on, let's start the first one. 5, 5 whole number, 5 by 12. If those who don't know how to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction, let me teach you this. We have to multiply both the denominator and the whole number. We have to multiply this 12 fives are. What do we get? We get 60 over here. 12 fives are is 60. And with this 60, we are going to add 60 plus 5. So we get 65 by 12. This is 65 by 12. Let's check whether this is 65 by 12 or not. No, this is 68 by 12. So this option is absolutely wrong. In the same way, we are going to do the next one, B. B1, this is 7 whole number, 8 by 11. This is A and this is B. 7 whole number, 8 by 11. Same trick we are going to follow. 7 into 11. We have to multiply both the whole number and the denominator. So this is 7 and 11 is 77. And what we are going to do? We are going to add them both. 77 plus 8. What do we get? 77 and 8. We get 85 by 11. So do we have this? 85 by 11. Let's check. No, this is 86 by 11. Absolutely wrong. Okay, let's move on to next option C, 4, 6 by 10. Now, as you have understood this way of converting the mixed fraction into improper fractions, so we'll be doing it directly. 10 fours are is 40, 40 plus 6, this is 46 by 10. Do we have this option 46 by 10? Let's check. This is 40 by 10. Again, this option is wrong. अब तो सिर्फ एक ही उम्मीद है कि ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट निकल जाए, तभी हमारा आंसर मैच करेगा. So let's check. Option D, 8, 10 by 3. So we are going to multiply the whole number and the denominator. 8 threes are is 24. 24 plus 10 is 34 by 3. Oh, yes, at least one option we have got correct. This is absolutely correct. So option D over here is correct. Okay, so let's see. Those who have given me the correct answer as option D, all of you, those who have given me the correct answer as option D are absolutely correct. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Use the given clues to find out the value of the circles. You have to find out the values of the circles. Okay, so let's do. You have to, you have squares given and the values of the square is also given over here. But basically we have to find the value of these two circles. So the value of the squares given is 15.9. 3 squares is equal to 15.9. So very easily we can find out the value of one square. we can divide 15.9 by 3. So when we divide 15.9 by 3, what do we get? We get 5.3. So value of 1 square is 5.3. Now we have this second figure. So 5.3 multiplied by what gives you 2.21.2. Let's see. 21.2 must be divided by 5.3 to get the value of the cube over here. So 212, I will write 212 because I'm going to remove the decimal places over here. Both of them are having one decimal place. So I will be doing it directly. 53 4 times gives you 212. So this is 4. Now you have 4 over here and you have a circle over here. Still, you want to find out the value of the circle. So what you are going to do, same trick, 1.5 divided by 4. You have to do 1.5 divided by 4. So what do you get? 1 5 by 4 into 10. Let's reduce it. 5 2s are 10. This is 5 3s are 15. So on dividing this, what do you get? Let's see. This is 3 by 8. So on dividing 3 and 8 in decimals, we get 0.375. So we have the correct option 0.375 over here. But this is not the correct answer. If you think this is the correct answer, this is not the correct answer because we have to find the value of two circles. So we are going to add 0.375 two times to get the final answer. So on adding both, what do we get? This is 10 plus 1, 14 and 1, 15 and carry 1. This is 7. So our final answer is C, which is 0.75. 0.75 is our final answer. Okay, so those who have given me the final answer as C are absolutely correct. Okay, so this was our last question for the day. Thank you all for giving so much of time. I hope you all have understood whatever questions were taught. Very well done, Shabnam. Very well done, Siddhi. Very well done, Yuvraj. Very happy to see you all answering. Thank you so much for joining. Hope we meet us again. All of you meet me again in the next live session, which we will be having next week. And I'll be coming up with more of such questions for all of you to increase your knowledge. Thank you. Good evening. Good night.